Positano, a cliffside village on Italy's Amalfi Coast that seems straight out of a dream. Colourful buildings cascade toward the sea. Narrow streets wind like rivers, and every view is a postcard. Positano dates back to Roman times. Once a humble fishing village, it became a hidden paradise for artists and writers in the 1950s. Today, it's one of Italy's most iconic travel destinations. Homes are stacked like a pyramid, with every balcony facing the sea. Spiaggia Grande is Positano's main beach and one of the most photographed spots in Italy. You can rent a sunbed, sip limoncello at beachfront cafes, or take a dip in the crystal clear waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea. Wandering through Positano feels like walking through a living painting. Every turn offers something new: artisan shops, elegant boutiques, and the scent of fresh lemon and espresso. For the best views, a breathtaking trail high above the coast. From here, the cliffs plunge into the sea, and on clear days, you can see all the way to Capri. Italian food tastes even better with a sea breeze. Try schialatielli ai frutti di mare, a seafood pasta specialty, or fresh caught anchovies with lemon. And don't leave without sipping locally made limoncello. The best time to visit Positano is May through early July or September. Avoid peak August crowds if you want peace. And wear comfy shoes because there are more stairs than streets. Positano isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. Whether you're here for the views, the food, or the romance, this cliffside town captures your heart and never lets go. Have you been to Positano, or is it still on your bucket list? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cinematic journeys around the world.